Okay, this is our ex-workshop loan bike. It's horrible. It's got scuffs and marks. It's been very well used. I think it's done 57,000 odd miles. Basically, we're not using it anymore. The radiator leaks. I think it's got a leaky fork seal. Tyres look alright. We've done the maintenance as it's gone along, but she's a bit tired here and there. As I say, it runs okay. Will need a radiator, etc. Good source of spares for someone, maybe, or a project, or something like that. It's literally what you can see. You're welcome to come and see the bike. As I say, it's very well used, worn in places, scuffs like that, scuff on the tank, flaky paint, oily bits, etc. But yeah, it is what it says on the tin, really. It's a tired old loan bike, but does still run okay. Typical Bandit. Go. Fuel injected one. It's a 650 water cooled one, so it's not the old fashioned carburetted one. So it does run okay, but either needs to be used for spares, or maybe put some work into it and use it again on the road. But entirely up to you. But as I say, spares or repair. You're welcome to come and see it at our showroom in Maidstone in Kent. Suggest you bring a van, because you can't ride it home, because obviously the radiator leaks, etc. And as I say, it does need a fork seal on the left hand side, and whatever else it may need. So there you go. Anyway, any further details, by all means give us a call, or preferably pop along and see it. See you soon.